everyone, my name is Hadassah and I want to make you a strawberry smoothie for a summer drink. So you put, so this is an organic Valley whole milk I'm going to use. I'm going to about 1 cup or 1/2 cup if you want. So I'm going to do this. So about there. Pour in here all different kinds of milk if you want. And then I'm going to add probably a cup of strawberries. So about a cup of strawberries. Pour it in here. You can also add a little more strawberries if you want. Then you put some organic sea Greek plain yogurt, or you can also do a vanilla yogurt if you want. So I think I want to do 1/2 cup of this. Probably about that much. Put it in here. And you put a banana in there, an organic banana. So you split that in half, put that in there. So it kind of blends kind of easy. So this is an organic sweetener I'm going to use. It would taste a little kind of sweet. So I'm not going to put much in it, but I think just 1/2 teaspoon of this, I guess. So that's that. And now it's time to blend it. So it looks like that. So I'm going to blend it. It won't take that too long. Just like that. So I think that's done. So there's the smoothie. So it looks like that. Okay, let's take a bite of this. That's really good. You can also taste the strawberry and the banana, and that's really good. So there's a drink. So I'm gonna pour that in my cup. So there it is, your strawberry summer drink. So this is what my strawberry smoothie looks like. It's really refreshing and it's like a summery drink. Very good.